Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to do a single replacement. It's uber important to have your activity series nearby for single replacements. What you're going to do is you're going to look for the element that's by itself, in this case, aluminum. Okay, you want to look and know what its charge is. It's positive 3. Okay, and in this case, we have PbNO3 3. That means Pb's charge is plus 3 and NO3 is minus 1. We use the ions right here to figure that out. Now, aluminum is going to kick whatever has the same sign charge out. So this is aluminum going to kick out Pb. However, we have to check the activity series. Is aluminum higher? Here's where aluminum is, okay? Is it higher than Pb? Yes. That means it's more reactive. So this reaction will happen. So what it's going to do is it's going to leave Pb, which is a solid, that's a metal, okay, plus aluminum nitrate. So it's Al, and since Al is plus 3 and nitrate is minus 1, there we go. Now, a couple of the things we have to do is aluminum nitrate. Is that aqueous? Is it solid? What's going on? We use our solubility rules. So we don't have anything about aluminum, but we do have something about nitrates. Soluble means aqueous. Okay, soluble. And since it's soluble, so this is AQ. Okay? And that would be how you work on that reaction. Now it is balanced, okay? So we don't have to worry about balancing it, but you have all of these different parts. We also have another situation. We have Mg and HCl. So I'm going to just kind of write up here, Mg is plus 2 because it's in group 2. H is plus 1, Cl is minus 1. So Mg that's by itself is going to replace the other positive one. So that would be hydrogen, okay? So we do Mg to hydrogen. Is Mg higher up on the activity series than hydrogen? So I go to my activity series. I look for Mg. Here it is. Okay, and I go down and I'm looking for hydrogen. Oh, there it is. And since Mg is higher up, cool, that's totally going to happen. So Mg is going to hook up with Cl. But it's not MgCl because Mg is plus 2 and Cl is minus 1. So it's MgCl2 plus H, and it's not just H because of Hunkelbrief, so that's H2. All right, that makes this a gas because hydrogen's red on the big periodic table. And MgCl, what's going to happen with that? So to the solubility rules, I'm going to go to Cl. That is soluble, okay, so it's aqueous. All right, except for with Ag, Hg, and Pb. Nope, that's aqueous, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. So those are two single replacement reactions. However, okay, let's do a couple more. All right, so I'm just going to add a couple more reactions here. And I'm going to add one that goes like this. Let's say I have I2 plus NaF. All right, so I have I2 plus NaF. Now I have to look at what the charges would be, okay? So iodine makes a charge of plus 1. Oh no, it's not plus 1. It's in group 17, so it's minus 1. Sodium's plus 1, and fluorine is minus 1. So ladies and gentlemen, okay, this negative is going to replace the other negative. They always replace the same charge. All right, but we have to check our activity series. Is I higher than F? If it is, everything's cool. So I go over here, and I don't have I or F here. It's a non-metal, so they're over here. Is I higher than F? Here's I. It's way at the bottom, and F is up here. I is not going to do that. It's not reactive enough. So this would be a no reaction. All right? And we can just leave it at that. However, if I were to flip it around, F2 plus NaI, okay, we know that F is higher than I, so this is totally going to happen, okay? So now it becomes NaF, and that's cool. If we think about the charges, F has a charge negative 1, Na is plus 1, plus I2 because of Hunkelbrief. We can go back and double check our states of matter. In this case, I'm going to tell you that that starts with a gas and aqueous. This would end as aqueous and go to a gas. If you do not have something starting as aqueous, you can't have it ending as aqueous unless water is involved. There's no water in this reaction, but the aqueous there lets this happen. All right, now is it balanced? Nope, I'm going to put a 2 here and a 2 there, and we now are all balanced up. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a single replacement reaction. you always have to check the activity series. All right,